Come on everybody, today for breakfast we got a nice fresh zucchini flower and we make zucchini flower frittata. I got over here some of the zucchini flower already I clean up inside, but when you clean up inside make sure the look first, a lot of time you got the ends and B. I clean up inside and I take the little piece out, I cut the little flower inside, I take it out. And I dry, wash and dry. I got the shallot I chop already, and you need the salt, black pepper, and I got the goat cheese, and I got it's half a cup of milk, and I got 6 eggs. Now, for start, we start with the eggs first. And this eggs, it's for the farm I was buying. It's not too big, but it's for the farm. And now we see what it look like, these eggs. Okay. Okay, nice. And we use a 6. We gotta have a nice frittata today for breakfast. A nice cup of coffee. Okay, now we take this out and I want to wash my hands first. Okay. All right, now we can start. I put a little salt. Black pepper, and I want to scramble now the eggs first.
I think you should look in like in a farm or farmer markets. Maybe they have it.
What, for the flour?
Yeah.
This flour, my brother gave it to me. And my brother live next door, we live close, but maybe 15 feet. He gave it to me. Okay, now we'll scramble the eggs, and now we put the milk. And we scramble the milk, everything.
Thank you very much for the stars.
Okay, thank you very much. I don't drink not today, yeah, it's too early. Thank you very much for your support and for the start. Thank you very much. Now, we gotta go on the stove. And I got the eggs over here. I got the shallot. Let's put the gas on. And we put a little oil. I want to saute the shallot. And I want to saute the flour too a little bit. Now, I want to say something. A lot of people say to me, Pasquale, why my frittata when I do is thick? I got a brush, okay? Do like this. You warm up the oil and you brush all over the place, the parts, like that. And brush all the way around like this. Still the parts, it's a parts no stick, but a lot of time, you never know. Maybe it can stick. And you do like this. Now, we raise the gas a little bit. And I got the onion over here. I want to saute to give a nice, for the frittata, when you do, you give a nice taste. Now, so you like garlic, you can put garlic too. And so you don't like onion, you use only garlic. So you don't like, no garlic, no onion, it's okay, no put it. Okay, we load the flame. Now I take the flour over here and I want just to saute a little bit, not too much.
It's zucchini flowers.
Okay. left, we put it back on the same dish. I want to put a little drop of the oil now, like this on the top. And we raise a little bit of the flame. Today it's a beautiful day, but it's a little colder the rest of the day. This morning it was like 68 degrees, 65. Okay. Maybe I want to use the tongue. Yes. And we make a little turn. Okay, you don't gotta cook really. The only thing that they give a little taste with the shallot, the onion.
Yeah, they're delicious. Actually, it's really something special, something different.
Okay, now what I do, I lower the gas really low, because I don't want to burn my onion. And I take it out of the pot over here, and let's put it right on this dish.
Yeah, you can use any flowers. Pumpkin too, it works. Yes.
Okay. Okay, good. Now the onion, everything. We put a little drop of more oil. It's enough. And now it's a time to put the eggs. I got the oven on already. I got it on 375, not 400 this time for the frittata. Okay, we got the eggs. And we put the eggs right over here. Back up on the top of the gas. Give a little turn like that. Okay. And now I got the good cheese.
Thank you very much for the stars, everyone.
Thank you very much for the star. Thank you.
Oh, hello, Aram. How is everything going in Florida?
Okay, now we put a little cheese all the way around. I put a good cheese, but if you don't got a good cheese, you can use a Parmigiano cheese, any kind of the cheese, okay? But I put it like that all over the place. Okay, now it's okay. I'm not washing my hand. I gotta touch this. And we put the zucchini flour
Yes, he put milk in the eggs, yes.
like this. And we put this flour all over the place like that. You can leave this little stem, but it's really tender. This, it's good too. You eat, it's really good. Okay, now let me wash my hand. Dry. Okay, now we leave boil. And when we start to boil this, we can put it in the oven. Or, say you don't got the oven to work, you can cover and you cook on the top of the stove. this when I was in Italy, I remember, you know, this I was go almost every day the farm, because we have a big farm and we was working on the farm. Now when it was lunchtime, my mother, she was pick up any kind of the stuff and we was making frittata. And the frittata, it's really good. When you over there, it's everything you got for the farm. You got a salami, sausage, prosciutto, everything. We prepare the winter time for start eating the summertime. And same thing with the frittata, we make it fresh every single day. Okay, now this.
Can you send hello to Fred? He's 93. He's watching you.
What's the name?
Fred.
Hello, Fred. Thank you very much. 93. 100 more years. We strong. 93. I'm 81. I wish I reach on your age. Thank you. Keep strong and keep a nice glass of wine with you. Thank you. Okay. Now this you gotta go in the oven and we gotta keep this for 10 minutes. It's a 375 degree. Okay, start the boil now. Like this one, I put in the oven, it no stop the boil. Look. It bubble all the way around. Like I say, see? With the oil, it no stick. You see it's loose. You see that nice? It's everything loose over here. Okay, let's put it in the oven. And let's turn the gas off over here. Alright. Now, this you gotta stay about 10 minutes. I know everybody, maybe you want to wait, Dave? I don't think so. After when it's everything done, we show everybody nice picture what it look, this frittata. Thank you very much, and thank you for your support, and thank you for the stuff. And we see after the frittata, and we show everybody. Thank you very much, and we see next time. And again, thank you very much for the stuff. Thank you.